Today, I'm excited to unveil the top 7 secrets to mastering Upwork proposal writing that will help you secure more clients in 2025. With over 1 million earned on Upwork, I've honed a strategy that not only differentiates you from the competition, but also significantly increases your success rate. If you are ready to transform your proposal game and start winning more lucrative contracts, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into these secrets. First, let's tackle a common mistake that might be sabotaging your proposals. Number 1, generic greeting. Start with "Dear Sir" or "Madam" is a no-go. Personalize your greeting with the client's name to make an immediate connection. Number 2, premature promises. Promising the moon from the get-go can be unrealistic expectations. Focus on realistic and achievable deliverables. Number 3, information overload. If a client asks for 2 work samples, then just stick with 2. Over-delivering in this content can indicate that you don't follow instructions well. Now that we've tackled some of the mistakes that might be sabotaging your proposal, if you want to know more about Upwork proposal tips and tricks, check out my other video on proposal writing. They are packed with insight and practical advice to help you refine your approach even further. Now let's shift gears to the strategies that will enhance your proposal. Number 1, instant engagement. Your opening line is crucial. Use a compelling hook that grabs attention and makes the client eager to read more. Number 2, prominent USP. Early in your proposal, highlight your unique selling proposition. Whether it's your rapid turnaround, exceptional skills, or innovative solution, make it clear why you are a top choice. Number 3, consultative approach. Treat your proposal like a consultation. Diagnose the client's needs by asking insightful questions and then prescribe your skills and experience as a solution. Next, personalize and tailor your approach. Number 4, deep dive research. Demonstration of knowledge of the client's business and referencing specific details from their project can significantly increase your credibility and show your dedication. Number 5, brevity and clarity. Keep your proposals concise. Busy clients appreciate it when you can make your point effectively and efficiently. And for the final touch, establish authority and prompt action. Number 6, showcase social proof. Leveraging testimonial and positive feedback from past clients and to build trust to showcase your track record of success. Number 7, direct call to action. End your proposal with a clear call to action. Encourage the client to initiate a conversation or schedule a call to discuss their project in detail. Don't forget the power of getting the client to talk. P.S. Use this section to reiterate a key benefit to highlight your unique offer. It's a last chance to leave a memorable impression that can sway their decision in your favor. And a pro tip before you go, familiarize yourself thoroughly with Upwork terms and services. Understanding the rules can significantly impact your success rate and help you avoid common mistakes that could cost your job. Are you ready to boost your Upwork proposal success? Drop a comment below if you are committed to leveling up on 2025. And don't forget to check out the free resources linked in the description and comments for more tips and strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you excel on Upwork. Until next time, be freelantastic.